Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna give you all a little review, 5,000 mile review of the D&D Bobcat for all 16 through 17 dynas. This is a lowrider S110. This will be a cold start. Pretty good sounding exhaust, pretty loud. When I first got it dyno before the exhaust, I made 85 horsepower and only 100 torque. After the dyno tune and the D&D, it's at 97 horsepower and 117 pounds of torque. I'm pretty sure that's just a mild dyno on it, but that's it so far. It's a 13.5 inch stiletto shocks. Gave me some more lean angle. Went with some metal foot pegs there.